So, you upgraded your new Jeep's headlights to the LED package. Well, they're certainly better than the stock Jeep headlights, but they're still not JW speaker LED headlights. So I'm going to show you how to install the best Jeep headlights in the world. These are the dual burn Evolution J2s. Because of our engineered optics, our beam patterns light up the road and your surroundings with more precision and intensity than the Jeep stock headlights. Replacing standard Jeep halogens with Evolution J2s is a quick plug-and-play swap. It's almost that easy to change out the Jeep LEDs. You've just got one minor difference to deal with. While the LEDs look like a typical 7-inch round Jeep light, the housing actually has an integrated mounting ring built into it. So you'll need these adapter rings to make the J2s fit like the factory lights. It's no big deal to add them on. Still, I'll walk you through it. And even if you don't have Jeep LEDs, you can see how easy it is to swap stock Jeep headlights for awesome. It only takes about 20 minutes and 2 tools, a T15 Torx wrench and a flathead screwdriver. The screwdriver is to pry the locking pins out of each of these 6 retaining clips. Once you get the pins out, pop the clips, and they'll come right out too. Next are the bottom clips. Grab the grill like so, and it pops out with just a little muscle. The last thing to do is disconnect the turns and get the grill out of the way. The connectors have safety locks, so before you try and yank them apart, push in the red tab and slide it back. With the grill out of the way, you can get to the mounting ring. The chrome retaining ring holds on the halogen lights, but it's just cosmetic with the Jeep LEDs. Still, you'll need to save it for the install. Just take out these 4 T15 Torx screws, either now or when the light's on the bench. Here's the only tricky part with the Jeep LEDs. The lights are snapped on to 3 studs. You can try to carefully pry or pull the tabs back over the shoulders of the studs, but you're probably going to break a few tabs. I even checked with a factory mechanic to see if there was a special tool or trick. Nothing. So, get the stock lights off the best you can, and when you pull them out, remember the H13 connectors also have that safety lock. Next, you snap on the JW speaker mounting rings. They're marked left and right, and the orientation puts the thinnest part of the ring on the top inside. Just line up the studs and push on the ring. With the mounting ring in place, you can drop in the light. The Evolution J2s are designed to be plug and play. No anti-flicker harness and no connector issues. Just make the connection, lock it, and screw on the retaining ring. Done. Before you put the grill back on, it's a perfect time to install our LED turn signals. It's a quick plug and play install that will complement your new headlights and matching fogs. Once you've locked the turn signal connections, line up and lock in the lower clips. Then put the 6 upper clips back on. Push in the base and the locking pin, and you're all set. Quick tip, align the top clips for easy removal next time, parallel to the grill in the middle 4 and perpendicular on either end. Now that everything's back together, you just need to take a minute to adjust your new lights. Measure the height of the light, then make a line at that height 25 feet away and adjust the top edge of the low beam to that line. That's it, you're done. And you're ready to take on night driving with the world's best headlights.